President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. is currently in Canada for an official visit aimed at strengthening bilateral ties between the two countries. The visit also includes meetings with Canadian business leaders and the Filipino community in Canada. IBC News correspondent Harley Valbuena has the report.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is now in Canada for a 4-day official visit upon the invitation of Canadian Prime Minister Mark Joseph Carney. The president will push for elevating the Philippines-Canada ties in priority areas such as economy, agriculture, and people-to-people exchanges. This will be through a proposed plan of action for the next chapter of the two countries' bilateral relations. Also to be highlighted is the cooperation on defense and security, with Canada being one of the nations that expresses support for the Philippines in asserting its sovereignty in the West Philippine Sea.
Canada's consistent support, both bilaterally and multilaterally, reflects our shared interest in upholding a rules-based international order, including the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS, and the 2016 Arbitral Award.
President Marcos Jr. will also woo Canadian businessmen for additional investments to the country, particularly in the mining sector, IT/BPM, nuclear energy, telecommunications, cyber technology, and financial services.
I intend to hold one-on-one business meetings and participate in roundtable discussions with private sector leaders for this purpose.
We make sure that all of the economic stakeholders of the Philippine government are engaged with them at all levels.
Tourism ties will also be boosted, building on the momentum gained from the non-stop flight from Vancouver to Manila launched last year. The president will also meet with the Filipino community in Canada.
Mayroon pong humigit kumulang na 1 milyong Pilipino na nasa Canada na ngayon. They are well respected and sought after for their skills, professionalism, and dedication. I certainly look forward to reconnecting with all of them.
The Canada visit is a first for a Philippine president in a decade. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.